tabletop position is a key starting point for lots of advanced exercises. Being able to move your legs up one by one without losing your neutral spine or bulging your abdomen is really important. Common errors are that the back arches as you bring the second leg up, or alternatively you cheat by pressing your back into the ground to get your leg up. Or the most common of all is that your abdominal muscles bulge as you bring that second leg up, whereas they should stay firmly contracted. Try starting with your feet on a box. It flattens your back and makes it slightly easier to get your feet up and down. Or try going on to tiptoe first. Take the weight, then let the second leg come up when you're ready. Likewise, going back down, tiptoe, heel, release. I love a visualization. Picture the first leg coming up as needing no more effort than pulling on the rope attached to a lightweight dinghy, sliding up the beach. But the second leg is heavier, more like a speedboat. You can't just tug on the rope, it'll go nowhere. You've got to lean into your rope, take up a bit of slack, then when it wants to move, follow it up with some extra muscle effort.